Incline reverse grip lat pull down. The reverse grip places a unique emphasis on the lower portion of the lats. This grip shifts to the focus onto the lower and middle parts of the back. With regular execution, this can lead to greater development and definition of the lats. Incline one arm lat pull down. This extended range of motion ensures that the lats are worked through their full length, promoting muscle growth and flexibility. A fuller range of motion is essential for maximizing hypertrophy and improving overall muscle function. V-bar lat pull down. It can cater to both beginner and advanced lifter. It can also be performed in most gyms equipped with lat pull down machine, making it easily accessible.